Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle and today I'm going to show you how to make a 2-minute DIY laundry detergent. I just want to put out a disclaimer that borax is not safe for children or animals to eat, so please keep this out of reach. To start, you're going to need a container with a lid, a cheese grater, a 1-cup measuring cup, 1 bar of Castile soap unless you're doubling the recipe. I chose mine to be in citrus because I do like for my laundry to have a scent. You're also going to need borax and Arm & Hammer laundry booster if they don't have Arm & Hammer. Another brand is fine. I did order all of this on Amazon. That way I am not going out to the store to pick things up. So you're going to start by grating your bar of soap, and then after we do that, I'll move on to the next step. Next, we're going to put in 2 cups of borax. This stuff comes out fast, so be careful. And then I'm also going to put in 2 cups of the laundry booster. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to put the lid on the container and shake it until it's an even consistency. It only takes about a 1/4 cup of this to do a small load of laundry. Obviously, you can use a little bit more if the load is just a little bit larger. This is safe in HE washing machines. Also, it does dissolve in cold water, so please feel free to use it. A little bit goes a long way, so this laundry detergent, it does last a long time. I love that you guys have watched this video with me. I do hope that you'll give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you for watching. Let me know if you're going to make it or if you have made it in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, I live a lie. Don't really know how life was before.